Hey, I'm Tom Zarega, the founder and CEO of Magnetic 3D, and we're here at InfoComm in Las Vegas 2026, showcasing the latest in glasses-free 3D technology. Consumers don't really want to wear 3D glasses. Our technology is a way to skip the glasses and skip the VR headsets, but still do immersive technology because we have a lens that goes on the front of the display, and the TV is wearing the glasses instead of the viewer. What we're showcasing here is our Wildfire series displays, the latest version of our tech. You're seeing our 55-inch landscape display with a mix of different content and our 85-inch portrait monitor. They all have Android embedded, as well as a way to connect via HDMI and connect your own computer, source, show controllers, or what have you. And we're also demonstrating that you can control it with a touchscreen. So we have the ability to do that as well. It's running off a separate computer. And then there's a number of different ways to get content into the format. So you're seeing a mix of Blender, Cinema 4D, Unity, and Unreal. All those plugins are available at magnetic3d.com. So come check it out, download a trial, and create your own content. I could be able to do immersive content just like this. Thank you.